Forgot your ANNKE DVR password? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the easiest, real working methods to reset your ANNKE DVR step by step. First, go to the DVR login screen. Under the password box, look for the Forgot Password option and click on it. Most newer ANNKE DVRs will show a QR code. Open the ANNKE Vision or Guarding Vision app on your phone and scan the QR code carefully. After scanning, you may receive a verification email. Open the email connected to your DVR account and follow the instructions. Now create a strong new password using letters and numbers. Save the settings and remember the password for future login. If your DVR doesn't support QR reset, your model may require a support file or serial number reset method. This is common on older ANNKE DVR systems. Be careful with factory reset options because they may remove your settings. Always try the official recovery method first. Once the reset is complete, log in using your new password and your security system should work normally again.